Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to check and change hotspot password in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to change your mobile hotspot personal hotspot password. So friends, now let's see how to change hotspot password one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Infinix mobile phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface on your device. So friends, click here hotspot setting. After on hotspot setting, friends, click here Wi-Fi hotspot setting. After on Wi-Fi hotspot setting, friends, personal hotspot you want to enable, so you can enable. After enable, you want to share your personal hotspot, you can share. And friends, if you disable personal hotspot, you cannot share your mobile hotspot. So friends, click here hotspot setting and hotspot password. So friends, you can check your hotspot password. You want to copy your password, so you can copy your hotspot password also. So friends, I will cut this password, new password. Friends, I will set in infinix in my note 1234 1234 phone 1234 and a 4321 I will use. OK option, and friends click here save hotspot setting, come back, and friends now you can check your password will change 1234 4321. Again friends, you want to change, so cut this password, and friends you can set new password. So as I will use 1230 321. Okay, and friends if you click back button, friends you can see discard change and save change. So click here save change, and friends hotspot password will change. So like that friends, you can change hotspot password in your Infinix mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubts? So friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.